This is a tutorial on how to use your iPhone to measure closed chain dorsiflexion, closed chain half-kneeling dorsiflexion. So first, the program that you can use is, in most iPhones, it's the level in the measure tool. So I think any updates should have it by now, but it looks like that. Oops. So I'll tap on it, and it may all show up as this at first, but you go down to the bottom and tap on the other side, and it's the level. So you put the patient in a half-kneeling position. So for this demonstration, my right will be the measured limb. So you want to try to keep there. You see my foot's on the ground. I'll back up a little bit. So you can so half-kneeling dorsiflexion, keep my heel on the ground, and I lean forward. And as I lean forward, you see that the numbers are changing on my phone. It's also getting a reflection of the computer, so I apologize. But this number on here, which you can't see it very well, but it's 43 degrees, is how much dorsiflexion I have closed chain. So and this is a very important measure for lots of functional movement screen purposes and SFMA purposes. They like to look at that measure and know if that's a limiting factor in someone's movement. So again, I'm in half kneeling. Sometimes we call it the sniper position. I have the phone on right against my tibia, and then I just put my ankle into dorsiflexion as far as I can, and you can read the number on the level will tell you the degrees.